If your Chevy Colorado is having trouble connecting to Apple CarPlay, follow this guide to get it working again. Before you rip out the dashboard, let us narrow down exactly where the connection is failing. Start by ruling out the simple things like damaged cables, dirty charging ports, or accidentally disabled software settings. If the basics look fine, you might be dealing with a faulty USB media port or an outdated infotainment software module. Most repairs are inexpensive, but replacing the HMI module requires professional programming and can get costly. A hard system reset by disconnecting the battery can often clear out minor software errors holding up your connection. If you decide to replace the USB port yourself, use plastic pry tools to prevent damaging your dash trim. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it is time to visit a professional to rule out failing internal electronics.